What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel. So before starting this video, I want to say that I hope you guys are doing absolutely well and staying indoors and taking care of yourself and your family as well. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 6 important tips or tricks on how you can improve your video editing and filming process. So these are some of the tips that literally no one tells you. So I've observed and learned these tips by myself, and I hope that sharing this with you guys will also help you improve your video editing or filming process. So let's get started with the video. The first and the most important tip I want to share is that having a sequence or having a story to your video. Now having a sequence or story is very important. It helps you to enhance your video. So if you're telling a story by your video, then it also helps engaging the audience and also interests them to watch your video further. Having random clips here and there would not interest your audience and also will bore them. So it's very important that you have a story in mind, and after that you film your video and edit it accordingly. The next step is to not repeat your clips. Now I've seen a lot of people, they create amazing content, they create amazing videos, they have a story, have a sequence to their video, but one thing they do is that they keep repeating the same clips again and again. Even I used to do this, I don't know for what reasons, but I used to keep on repeating my clips while editing again and again. It really does not make your video look good. That's actually not ideal for editing. So I suggest that you do not repeat your clips. Maybe if it is very important, in some cases there are exceptions, but if you're creating a travel content, keep that clip only once. So that is like one thing that you must avoid while doing so. So the next step is do not keep your clips for too long. So I used to do this a lot when I started with video editing. Like I used to keep one particular clip for a very long time. So I think the ideal time would be like 5 seconds or so for one particular clip, and then you jump to the next clip. So this actually helps the viewing experience, and I think that is like the ideal time to keep one particular clip. The next thing is music. Now music is very important when you edit videos. The right kind of music, the right kind of mood of music is very important. For my YouTube videos, I use no copyright music. So what you have to do is like you just type in no copyright music on YouTube. There are a lot of selections of music from which you can choose one. But the right music must be there for the video. So if you are traveling, or if you have a video of something which is very happy and you're playing a sad music, that will not help at all. So make sure that you choose the right music according to your video.
Into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy.
We are going over there.
So take me, baby.
Adding sounds. Now I recently adapted this technique into my videos, or add a trick in this video. Like it actually engages the audience. I have seen a lot of people do this, and I have also adapted that, and I think that has helped me to improve my video quality. It may be something like birds chirping, or you walking out of the door, or you closing the door, anything like that, like which has sound. The real sound in the video could be implemented with the music, which actually enhances the video quality, and it is like a great video viewing experience as well. Welcome to our vlog. It's a nice place. Last and the most important tip is to transition on the beat of the music. When there's a drop in the beat, that time you transit into the next clip. It's actually tricky at first when to give the transition.
Every word that you are throwing right into my back doesn't matter to me, cause I'm keeping my track. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
So those were all of the tips and tricks on how you can improve your video editing and filming process. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and I hope that you create amazing content ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.